the 761 special binary string. The question is, special binary strings are binary strings with the following two properties. The numbers of 0 is equal to the numbers of 1s. Every prefix of the binary string has at least as many 1s as 0. You are given a special binary string. Yes, and the move consists of choosing the two consecutive non-empty special substring of S and swapping them. Two strings are consecutive if the last character of the first string is exactly one index before the first character of the second string. So return the lecture largest result string possible after applying the mentioned operation on the string. Okay, so this question is, when I first time saw it, it's pretty hard to understand what it's talking. So this question says means like this. And better treat as like ones means better how to treat it. Treat as one is like this, like bracket, and 0 means this. This is for this one. Every prefix of binary string had at least as many ones as the zeros. So this one is kind of like this. Sorry. And this means this one actually is the valid one. So this is the rule for this one. The numbers is equal to this one. Yeah. You can treat this satisfy these two conditions. And swapping them, right? Two consecutive non-empty and swapping them. Okay, so the string 1 occurs as 1. So this is the largest valid here. This one is valid to the, sorry, this is index is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 here is valid. And then we can check for the small size to keep checking. And this is from the 1 to the 6. One to the 6, and then to check. Oh, this 1 and 0 actually is the small part of this, and this is 1, 0 is the. How can I make better to let you under? You can see here, right? So it's kind of like this is bracket, and this is the outside. And okay, sorry. You can see. So we want to go inside to check this one. And for here, right, you can see it's 1, 1, 0. This means 1, 0. And for here is the this. 0, 1, 1, 0. Okay. And go inside is the, oh, this is a small one, right? 1, 0. So 1, 0. This should be the, this is the minimum of about the valid bracket. So we need to think about, because inside we cannot keep doing something. So we need to swap this one and this one. And then it will become in the one. And swap this one with this one. And this is the answer. You can see match for this one. So what's the meaning of here? You have to find the minimum of this one, at least one bracket here. And inside the bracket, right? This one is already, and you have to check the numbers, like 1, 0. Oh, it's okay. So this one is minimum, and this one is minimum. And also we can treat it as a valid the bracket. So we can swap it with the left one here. So to check, oh, this, because this one is, we have to compare with the integer, right? This one is larger than the 110, and this substring and this substring is consecutive, so they can swap. So they can swap and then becoming this one, which means we need to sort it here. This is the, okay, so we have to find the boundary, right? Like current level, we can, how can I, this is the 117 here. At the beginning it's 17, and then it's going to the 17, and it's going to the two things, going to the next level. It's 0, 6. And the 0, 6 for, we can also find the 1, 0, right? So it's kind of like a, and this is 1, 6, 1, 6. And 1 to the 2 is already the minimum unit. But for here we have the, like 5, it is 3 to the 6. And for here, we also can separate, not separate, it's going to go inside. It's a 4, 5. This is a minimal unit. And this one we can swap with this tree, and we can find out which is maximum. So we write the code better to express this. I need a string, select parts. And then I need to count how many brackets. Also I need to store where it starts. Okay, and current ester at I is equal to 1, which means we find the bracket. So that plus plus, if let's see if at I is equal to 0, which means we have to count minus minus here. And when the count is equal to 0, which means we find the small small unit. We need to keep going inside. So string inner is equal to the largest special substring as a start plus 1, and you can see this one, right? So we have to find this one. So this is should be the I. Curve, we can make the 1 plus the inner plus 0, and the parts add curve. We can this is the current level, the small part, so we have to do this. Okay, so when it's finished, which means the current level is finished, then we need to sort it, collection sort. First order, and then stream builder. In the parts, we have to add in this one. Oops. Why? Add too much? Oh, I didn't update the start. I plus 1. Yep, it should be working now. And for the time complexity, because we kind of like to check every node inside, right? So the worst will be the n square, and space is I create O1 here. This is O1 and this is O1, so yeah, you can check O1 square and this O1. Yeah, thank you.